This is a tutorial on how to install the GeoServer MapML Community Module. GeoServer modules come in three varieties: Core, Extension, and Community. Community modules are considered experimental and are generally undergoing rapid evolution. Once the code for a community module has matured and stabilized, having incorporated sufficient test coverage, it may become a GeoServer extension. The MapML module is currently undergoing active development. Navigate your browser to geoserver.org. You'll need to install version 2.16 or greater of GeoServer. As of the time of this recording, that version is available in the development section under Master, shown here as a red tab. On the download page, click the link to the 2.16 build directory, where you'll find an index listing of zipped web archive or WAR files. Download the latest zip of the GeoServer master build. Next, to save you a trip back here, click on the link to the Community Latest directory. In that directory, find the zip file with the string mapml-plugin in the name, and download it. This zip file contains the jar files which constitute the MapML Community Module. Now you'll need to install GeoServer on your local or development servlet engine. In this example, I'll be using Tomcat 8.5. Please note that the default size limit of uploaded WAR files for the Tomcat Manager application is 50 megabytes. If you haven't changed that default value, you will have to do so because the GeoServer WAR file is over 100 megabytes. In this tutorial, I'm using a non-default value for the file upload size limit. To find out more, please Google Tomcat max-file-size and take appropriate steps to allow for installation of GeoServer into Tomcat via the Manager app. I have logged into the Manager web app, and you can see it has no app named GeoServer yet. The first step is to find the zipped WAR file we've just downloaded and unzip it. Next, we click the Choose File button next to the Select WAR file to upload, and we navigate to the GeoServer WAR file we have downloaded and unzipped. This step could take some time as it needs to upload the greater than 100 megabyte WAR file. The next necessary step is to set the context path to the soon-to-be created GeoServer application. I recommend /GeoServer. The initial slash is required. Having filled in the context path and selected the WAR file, check the Deploy button. After some time, a link to the GeoServer web app will appear in the table of applications. Click the link to go to the GeoServer root page. Preview link in the left-hand menu, which will take you to the layer preview page. You'll see the standard GeoServer layer preview page with links to demonstration layers common formats. This list of links includes by default OpenLayers, GML, and KML. When you've finished installing the MapML Community Module, the list of links to common formats will include a link labeled MapML. Now we're going to return to the Manager application in order to shut down GeoServer temporarily while we include the jar files from the MapML Community Module into the GeoServer lib subdirectory. When we start it back up, the module should appear. This concludes our example of how to install the MapML Community Module into the GeoServer web application in Tomcat. Please refer to other tutorials in this series for information on the features and operation of the module. Thanks for watching.